Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to take a look at a module that will help us simplify the usage of our clipboard. It's called Native Clipboard. It gives us the ability to copy and paste multiple things at the same time so that we don't have to keep jumping between the application where the source data is from to the actual, let's say, the note-taking application that we're going to be putting all of our references in. So let's go ahead and check out Native Clipboard. Today we're going to take a look at a module called Native Clipboard. You can go directly into the Xposed installer, go under modules, look for it directly, and we'll go right there. Native Clipboard version is 4.4. Install it, check the box, and restart the device. And once you have that done, you can either access it directly from the actual modules here, or you can go directly into the app drawer. By default, it has a built-in themes option where you can actually customize how the clipboard looked like. This is currently the theme that I have on. You'll notice the color scheme that I have there. But I'm able to basically go in there and change the coloring based on my preference, and I can go in and just change the different spectrum. It's not a selection option where you can basically drag and select it. You could just basically tune the coloring until you get it. Or the other option is also the developer includes for us a few built-in themes. So basically you have your dark material default, the LG black, and that's the one I'm using. But if I wanted to go to default, I can go back here, minimize this, open up the actual clipboard itself, and you'll notice the color scheme is the same. Black font, orange background for the actual notes themselves, and then white background in the back. Again, it's a personal preference. I like to stick with the LG black. That's probably basically, I think, the simplest one. White font, gray background, and black for the overall background there. The interaction with the unit itself is pretty simple. You can customize the size. You can also go in there and do the blacklisting the applications where you don't want it to actually show up, and then sort clips by. And of course, advanced, you can definitely go in single paste as well as the compatibility mode if you're having issues with it. This is running on a pure Nexus ROM, so definitely make sure that your ROM is compatible. But to make sure that that it does work, actually, we'll go ahead and open up. Where's my keep? So this is a note. Let's say I'm using Google Keep to put in a note, and I want to go ahead and hit paste. Notice by option here is I have paste to paste whatever I have already put in the clipboard, but I also now have the ability of accessing the clipboard, and it is present here. I've already copied and pasted two things from different articles, and I was just using this as an example. Obviously, you can copy and paste things from different places on the web, but this is an article. This is the Friday recap video from Jordan. Actually, we'll go back here, go back a little bit. I'll just say copy here. And I can go back into Google Keep, and this will be my note-taking thing. And the good thing about it is it'll keep reference of the last, basically up to 25, and you can customize that within the settings of how many things within the actual history will it remember. So let's go ahead and hit clipboard. And you notice it has 3 things now where it had 2 before. And I'm able to basically paste them one at a time. What it'll do is, just, let's say you want to reference different parts of a certain article for, let's say, a school project or so on, and you're going through an entire article, but you don't want to keep going back and forth between 2 applications. Copy all the actual references that you need, and then when you go back into your own article, just make sure you hit enter, because otherwise you'll have them in one paragraph like me. Very nice, very functional, very interesting to use. It really does augment your built-in clipboard and makes it much more functional. Simple module install, as usual. Install it, check the box, restart the device. It's compatible with Android 6.0.1, which is what I'm running right now on my device. And the beauty of it is that it really shows up where you need it. So if you're using the clipboard by copying and pasting something from one area to another, this is where it shows up, and you can add things to it. You can customize it. You can customize the colors into it if you don't like the standard ones, as you saw. The other thing that's really the reason I really like it is the fact that I can go in, let's say, on a really big article, but I don't want to copy and paste the entire thing and having to basically put it into a reference section. I can copy and paste different sections and keep everything in the clipboard, and then just go into my note-taking application and then paste exactly what I want. And of course, it has history up to 25, even more. You can expand the history for it. So you can go in and scroll through them. Of course, it could get tedious after a while because of the way, obviously, so many things you want can be able to use them. So you can clear all the actual clipboard information in there when you're in it. Of course, like I said, you can add custom ones, or you can even dismiss it and just use it as a normal copy-paste. It remembers the last thing you copied as the last thing that was entered into it, so it works normally even if you ignore it, and if you want more, it's there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is going to be CES week, so by the time you guys see this video, I should already be at CES. So please expect some more content from me coming out this week from CES. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions that you'd like me to cover for you guys, things you'd like me to check out. I'm available again on Twitter on TKDSL8655, so you can check me out there. I think that'll be the fastest way to get in touch with me. Hit me up, DM me there. Or if you definitely want to have any other things to see here on Xposed Tuesday, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.